In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disconnect a Facebook pixel from your Wix dashboard. If you've connected a Facebook pixel to your site via Wix and you're now finding that it's time to either remove it or you no longer need this integration, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to go through the steps together, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens, enabling you to manage different aspects of your website. At this point, we want to head over to the marketing integration section. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical, it's pretty straightforward once you're there. You can access it from the left-hand menu. This section includes all your connected marketing tools, so you might find things here like email marketing tools, SEO tools, and of course, the Facebook pixel. Next, scroll through the options until you find the Facebook pixel tab. This tool is crucial since it tracks the interactions of visitors on your website, feeding that data back to Facebook to help improve your ad targeting. However, if for any reason you need to disconnect it, simply proceed with the following steps. Once you're on the Facebook pixel page within your marketing integrations, you should see your pixel ID listed there. This ID is like your pixel's personal address, letting you know it's the right one. Now look for an option that says remove or disconnect. The wording might vary a bit, but it's generally easy to spot. Click on that button. A prompt will likely pop up asking you to confirm your decision to remove the pixel. This ensures you truly intend to remove it, as doing so will end the data flow from your website to Facebook, impacting how your ads are targeted. Go ahead and click confirm if you're sure about your decision. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected or removed the Facebook pixel from your Wix website. Keep in mind that you can always reconnect it later if you change your mind or decide you need it again for future campaigns. This process not only gives you the flexibility to manage your tools effectively, but also ensures that your website's performance data is aligned with your current marketing strategies. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you may have below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your Wix website.